a lot of fear of radiation and stuff. And I guess the problem is like a lot of people just don't understand. They didn't study engineering or physics, so they don't. It's just the word radiation just sounds scary, you know. So they can't calibrate what radiation means. But radiation is much less dangerous than you'd think. Like for example, Fukushima. You know, when the Fukushima problem happened due to the tsunami, I got people in California asking me if they should worry about radiation from Fukushima, and I'm like, definitely not. Not even slightly. Not at all. That is crazy. And just to show, like, look, this is how, like, the danger is so much overplayed compared to what it really is, that I actually flew to Fukushima, and I donated a solar power system for a water treatment plant, and I made a point of eating locally grown vegetables on TV in Fukushima. Like, I'm still alive. Okay.
So it's not even that the risk of these events is low, but the impact of them is
the impact is greatly exaggerated. It's just
human nature.
It's people don't know what radiation is. Like, I've had people ask me, like, what about radiation from cell phones causing brain cancer? I'm like, when you say radiation, do you mean photons or particles? Then, like, that I don't know what do you mean photons, particles? Do you mean let's say photons? What frequency or wavelength? And they're like, no, I have no idea. Like, do you know that everything's radiating all the time? Like, what do you mean? Like, yeah, everything's radiating all the time. Photons are being emitted by all objects all the time, basically. So, and if you want to know what it means to stand in front of nuclear fire, go outside. The sun is a gigantic, thermonuclear reactor. You're staring right at it. Yeah. Are you still alive? Yes. Okay, amazing.
Yeah, I guess radiation is one of the words that can be used as a tool to fearmonger by certain people. That's it. And
I think people just don't understand. So
I mean, that's the way to fight that fear, I suppose, is to understand, is to learn.